Hey, welcome back, sexy Hayabusa riders. I'm gonna show you how to install this windscreen. It's made by Puig. It's made in Spain, none of that cheap Chinese crap. And of course, as usual, the link is gonna be in the description box below. And besides the color, one other thing that I like is it has this big curve to it, so you get more protection from the air when you duck down. You can see compared to the stock one, see the stock one doesn't have that big curve like this one does. All right, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm gonna start by removing this bolt and this bolt. Next, you're gonna want to remove this trim, and you do so by taking these clips off. So you push it in. Once you do that, you're gonna pull this out. Okay, now to remove this, you have to remove this lower trim piece, and you do so from these clips here, one on this side and one on the other side. And finally, this bolt down here that holds the lower trim. Man, this thing is like a puzzle. Now you gotta take these off. Same thing, you push it in, pop it out. Push this rubber thingy, push it outwards. That's this one here. He's being a stubborn little fella, so now he's gonna experience some double D40 action. Damn. Man, that puppy was stubborn. Look what it did to my gloves. The other side, it came off pretty easy. I should go on the highway like this without the windscreen. Be like, ah! Yeah, look at that, eh? Okay, now put everything back together. Use maybe a little WD-40 on these guys to make it slide in easier. For some reason, this one was really hard to take off. This one, it came off pretty easy. The service manual just tells you to take these off, but it's impossible to like pull them off. Plus, you run the risk of ripping it apart. So it's better to remove all those trim pieces, push on one side and pull on the other. And be careful not to scratch the paint job. Okay, and for putting these back on, I want to show you what you do. Is because they're pushed in now, right? All you have to do is push this upwards. Once you put it on, you push on this to make it flush like it was before. That's it. That's how you do that. The same goes with these guys. They're the same thing but smaller. Alright guys, it's on. One thing I want to point out is when you install it, it didn't want to seat all the way in, so I had to push it like really good on both sides so we have a nice fitment over here. Okay, there it is, guys. Yeah, this bike is like really red now. It's got the red wheels, red fairings, and red windscreen. It's like red on red on red. Okay, and that's all I got for you today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.
Every sunrise is just for you.